Most people think that for creating Shopify store they need coding skills, they need developer and lot of money. But my friend, it is totally wrong and false. In this video I will show you exactly in free way, unlimited free tools and no paid tools need. Within few minutes you will see how you can make a high converting Shopify store. Okay, and also to creating Shopify store you just need Canva, ChatGPT and AliExpress. Okay, this three tools totally free. Okay, and I hope you have basic knowledge, only basic knowledge need on Canva, on ChatGPT or AliExpress. Okay, so this is the website, that's our Italian client store, and you can think that this is a competitor store. Okay, always my suggestion, always to find a good competitor in your niche or what product you will sell, and then according the product just find a competitor, that's it. So for understanding, suppose this is your competitor store, and in here every element, this is very simple and very professional. Okay, simple and professional, not hard. First of all we will see from header to footer that this is an announcement bar, and you will go on ChatGPT and you will tell him that, okay, for ChatGPT use you have to follow two rules. Number one is you have to guide him properly, and the prompt. Okay, and the prompt things will be like, you are a Shopify expert. Okay, give me a good header or announcement bar for a lighting store. Okay, because my the competitor store is lighting store. Okay, lighting store. Okay, so then ChatGPT will give you a good announcement bar which is very high converting. Okay, so now ChatGPT telling you, spring sale on all lightings, get up 30% off, and you can customize it or rewrite it by your own choice, but always go to ChatGPT and take helps from him. Okay, that's it. So very simple. And for design you will ask also ChatGPT what will be the designs, what will be the banner photo, the footer photo. Okay, and also I am asking him also give me idea of the banner photo. Okay, then he will give you an idea of the banner photo, the how it looks like. Okay, that's it. So great, since your store sells lighting products, especially things like LED lights, candles, neon signs, the banner photo, a hero image. Okay, artistic room setup with lighting on, close up or your products on in action. Okay, that's it. That's just for idea. Okay, and then go on AliExpress. From AliExpress you can download or you can use unlimited pictures of your product. Okay, so if I suppose searching on lighting products, and then AliExpress will give you lot of products. So it's just for understanding you and just for knowing you. Okay, and here suppose this is the good product. Right now it's oversaturated, just for example, and this product image you can use, no problem. Just if you can just edit some, no problem. If you totally copy this image, okay, any image, no problem, you can use. All right, so in here everything you can use, no problem. So we will go on the store. Okay, we will go on store. The website, first of all, the logo, you should create a good simple logo for as like your brand. Like this is a domain name of Kabi Relax, and you can use this as your logo name. Okay, no problem. And also ChatGPT will give you a lot of idea of logo, no problem. And then this is the home page and the product page. This is a one product store, that's why in home page and both the product page also together. Okay, so right now you will just title this that Kavi Relax, no problem. This is a brand name and everything, like the product price, pictures. Also keep in mind that you should always keep the very high converting professional. You can edit some on Canva if you need. So next, then you will add shipping returns details. Also another thing is that, for example, if you want to use like Shopify default photos like for banner, okay, for example, I'm going to this images, and Shopify will give you the banner photo of everything. Okay, these elements, yeah, wait. So this is the banner image, and in here you will see that Shopify will tell you if you want, this is the image, that our own product image, and if you click on change, then you can explore free image according your brand. Suppose if your brand is selling fashion, women fashion, just click on this, okay, and you will see that this image will adjust. Okay, for example, I will my store is fashion, so I will click this picture, and this in here, this photo will be added. Okay, you can see. So now everything Shopify, now everything giving you very simply, okay, and very easy. So our next step is, after adding price and shipping details, you will ask ChatGPT for product benefit. Okay, in the product page, you should always keep in mind that the benefit, customer reviews, testimonials, and more product videos, pictures of the UGC content creators. Okay, that's it. Because customers or the audience want always to see the real people's review in your website. Right now, I will only use my competitors. That's enough. Just copy his product benefit. That's it. This is the benefit he added, and I will go on ChatGPT. I will tell him that give me a relevant or same product benefit. Yes, give me same product benefit for this copy. Okay, that's it. I will just paste and I will ask to ChatGPT, and let's see what ChatGPT will tell you. Okay, yeah, so ChatGPT will give me another copywriting sections for the product benefit. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so copywriters is the perfect gift for friends and family, and in here you can read and just customize it, no problem. Okay, and after that you will add more benefit, and you will say customer that how their life will change if they use this product. Okay, this is the most important. Customer wants the value and what type of benefit, why this product changed his life, daily life, and others more stuffs like that. Okay, and then you will add FAQ sections. This is the Italian language, so please don't mind. It's for every international store. Just use this simple formula. Okay, and FAQ, and after that just review. Okay, just review. So for review you can use Looks apps or others apps. Also you can use AliExpress default review. For example, if I go down, and you can see that this is a review, yeah, customer reviews 493. Okay, so every review you can add, or you can just screenshot. For example, this is the review, just take a screenshot. Okay, yeah, that's it. Just take a screenshot, and you will only, when I will click on review sections, and then Shopify will ask me for adding the review. Okay, and after that, at the footer section, no need, just at the beginning you did that the our store contact us check order menu you have already added, so no problem. So yeah, that's it. So main thing is that good product benefit, customer testimonials, customer reviews, and the last thing is that totally everything you can ask ChatGPT that how I can make a high converting store. ChatGPT will guide you 100%. Okay, 100%. Okay, so thank you so for watching my video, and please see my also watch my next video. Okay, so thank you. You can edit some on Canva if you need. So next, then you will add shipping returns